Hello, my friend. Welcome to TubeU channel. I'm Henry. Recently, my wife asks me to make a butter stick. I checked the Thingiverse and find a very good model. It is called Butter Pig. But I think the pusher is a little long. And I found another butter stick in the Japanese 100 yuan shop. It is very compact. But I want to keep the decorated pattern as Butter Pig version. The compact one has no function. How about combining these two functions at the same time? Just like this. Stick around. I will tell you how to do it. The concept is very simple. Rotate the pusher. It will level up and push the butter out. The Butter Pig has a long and thick pusher. It has enough force to push the butter. But the compact version cannot give strong force. So I consider changing the pusher to a stainless steel M5 nut. It can give sufficient force and very thin. The design is like this. I add some decorative pattern for the test. You can make your own pattern or leave a comment. I can make it for you if you want some more. Let's see if it works or not. One thing very important before you store butter, make sure clean your hand, knife, and the butter stick completely. Don't let the bacteria have a chance to infect the butter. will give you some help.
Please like and subscribe. You will not regret your choice. Also, leave your comments so we can know each other. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon again. Hope you will have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, click on the small bell so you will not miss the update. TBO channel is waiting for you.